What is Shrove Tuesday and why do we call it Pancake Day? We celebrate Shrove Tuesday as it is the last day before Lent begins. Lent is the Christian period leading up to Easter, where people often fast or give up something. Therefore, Shrove Tuesday was the last opportunity to use up eggs and fats before embarking on a Lenten fast, as these ingredients would be out of date by the end of the fast. And so, pancakes were the perfect way to use up these ingredients. And that's why Shrove Tuesday is also known as Pancake Day. So let's have a look at how we celebrate Shrove Tuesday around the UK. Northern Ireland. In the past, pancakes were cooked over a fire, which families and friends would gather around, eager to enjoy the food. And traditionally, the eldest unmarried daughter of the family would toss the first pancake. Scotland. Scottish pancakes are much smaller and thicker than traditional pancakes, which are often made in England. In some parts of Scotland, they are called drop scone or dropped scone. Crempoggs, also known as froys, are thicker than the traditional English-style pancake that we often eat on Pancake Day. Traditionally, they were cooked on a cast iron bakestone griddle. England traditionally make thinner pancakes, often referred to as crepes. They would traditionally be topped with lemon and sugar, however people now have all sorts of toppings, such as maple syrup and chocolate spread. And some people like a savoury pancake. These would often have cheese in them. Across the UK, pancake races have often been a part of the celebrations. People run often dressed in costumes or fancy dress, whilst tossing a cooked pancake in a frying pan at the same time. The first person to cross the finishing line is the winner. One of the most famous pancake races takes place in Olney in Buckinghamshire. So, are you looking forward to Pancake Day this year? What's your favourite pancake topping? Let us know in the comments below.